Hi guys, Namaskaram. Welcome back to my channel Sri's Delight. Today I am doing a vlog regarding before day of Varalakshmi Vradam. So tomorrow is Varalakshmi Vradam and I have prepared everything. So tomorrow's lunch preparation is going on. Usually when festivals are there, we have to do lots of pujas and all the preparations, lots of food items and all. So since this is a women festival or puja, I had to do all the work. So tomorrow I couldn't able to make everything. So I'm doing pre-head itself. So I arranged my goddess, and tomorrow there will be one more welcoming rituals for her. Today just I opened her eyes, what we call kan tarkardu in Tamil. So as my mother-in-law said, I did everything, and this idea she gave me to prepare all the batters and all the like whatever we can do it tomorrow, we have to prepare everything. So that the same thing I'm doing. At first I'm doing my vada batter. Every year we'll be in India, so I'll be doing this Varalakshmi Vradam with my mother-in-law. She used to call the priest to do the pujas and all. So me and my mother-in-law will be fully engaged in decoration and doing all the food items and all. So this time, since I'm doing all in one, so I'm preparing all this ahead. Here I'm making vada batter. I'm going to store it in the fridge. Then I'm going to make idli batter. Then kodakattai maavu, the male maavu of kodakattai, and the purnam, the sweet one for inside. Tomorrow I'll try to shoot. I don't know whether I can show you the recipe how to make it, but I'll shoot what and all I'm doing. And I wanted to document this, and I wanted to share this with you also, because it's the first time I'm doing alone here. So let's see how this is going to work. I put soaked urad dal. I soaked urad dal for 4 hours and some black peppercorn. That's it. And rest of the remainings we'll add it tomorrow. Now I'm going to grind it and keep it in the refrigerator so that it will be easy for me to make vadas tomorrow. Now the batter is ready. I'm removing it from the grinder. So in the same grinder, I'm going to grind our idli batter. Since there is urad dal in vada also, and just little bit of pepper, it's okay. Let's start grinding. Usually my batter, it will be like all in one. So for idlis and dosas and uttapam, whatever you want, I'll make in this dough only. I don't make a separate doughs for idli and dosa. If I have lots of time or lots of patience, then I will soak for idli separate and dosa separate. But for me, this all-in-one is working well. Regarding this, I'll do the video very soon, because the dosa series is going on. I'm using the same batter which I use for idlis also. So with the same batter, I'll do my idlis, dosas, rava idli, pepper dosa, whatever dosa it is, it comes very perfectly. Soon I'll say how to make the batter also. Into the same grinder without washing it, I am grinding my kodakattai or dumplings, what you call, male maavu. Just I am going to pour the water. Cleaning my mehendi leaves. Next I'll be grinding this, applying it to my hand. So I come at my final stages of my preparation for tomorrow's festival. That's my purnam. I used to have a dream of having my own mehendi tree as a child. Never happened. After coming here, I have my own mehendi tree where it gives a beautiful color. Instantly, I get a beautiful color without adding anything. Just grinding the mehendi leaf, I got this color. Just I applied to my daughter and me, and that's it here. But still, my tree is very small, which cannot give more leaves. It's sufficient only for hands for me and my daughter. But for legs, I need little bit more. So here I came up with a YouTube channel. That woman, she adds some water into a plate and keeps this mehendi paste into that, and she'll keep her leg for a few minutes, like 45 to 50 minutes. Then later, even her feet will turn nice color. So I tried it already. It worked well, but you cannot expect more color when you apply the mehendi. That color we won't get when we keep it in the water. We get just light color of the orangeness, the mehendi color. So if you are interested, or if you have lots of mehendi leaves, you can draw the line in your palm. Otherwise, you can do this. This actually, it's really relaxing after a tiring day. You put a water and some mehendi, even that cools your body, and you get nice color also. So today, I am getting ready for my Varalakshmi Ratham tomorrow. So I completed all my works, all my preparations for tomorrow I have done. After this, I am going to say Happy Varalakshmi Ratham to everyone.